I'm Curtis. This is just the business. I've been here for 6 years, and I got TechMan as soon as I moved in. Pretty much, I was shopping around at all the dealer management systems and ended up taking on board TechMan, and it's been really good ever since.
What was the biggest frustration you had before working with TechMan?
Well, this is my first business that I took over. I was using a different dealer management system at the last place I worked at. So yeah, it was all brand new to me, basically.
What made you choose TechMan over other garage management systems?
I tried a couple and it just was really easy to use, just the layout and you're looking at the screen all day, and it's just a really good system and it's quite easy on the eye,
How easy was it to get started with TechMan? Like the setup, training, onboarding?
Like super quick. Lucky for me, I'm close to TechMan, home base, and they came out and it took a couple of hours, and then maybe over the next week 3 or 4 phone calls to TechMan, and it was seamless, very easy to use.
How has TechMan improved your day-to-day operations?
Well, rather than using pen and paper, it's a lot quicker. I can print my invoices straight off TechMan. I can send them straight via email off TechMan. Everything's quicker, everything's a lot easier.
What surprised you about the results?
Again, just how easy it is, how quick and easy and simple. It just makes my job a lot easier, basically.
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing assistance?
Very quick. I don't really need much support or much help with it, but whenever I phone up, I'm already speaking to somebody who knows everything about it, and they can pretty much help me there and then, every time.
Overall, was using TechMan easier than you thought it would be?
Yeah, I didn't know what it was going to be like. It was, a brand new thing for me, TechMan, but it's very, very easy. I've had it for 6 years, and it's just been very simple and easy for me. The way it integrates directly to QuickBooks, the way it integrates directly with HaynesPro, and it's, really helpful.
Would you recommend TechMan to other garage owners, and why?
Yes, and I have done a couple already. A couple of friends of mine have got garages, and they've switched over to TechMan because they've come and seen how it works and how easy and quick it is, and yeah, definitely.
If you're facing challenges similar to those our customers faced before, get in touch with us today. Just click the link below to book your demo and see how TechMan can transform your garage.